Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're at Pop's Exotic Snacks and Drinks. They have all these exotic stuff that you could get. They have a lot of, they even have the dried candy, dried airheads, and everything. These are so good. And they got the one chip challenge, and a lot of cool spicy stuff too. Dang, this place is pretty cool. It's a little place in Arizona. They got Halloween Captain Crunch. Some shrimp chips, some shrimp lays. Dang. That's a pretty cool backpack. I have a little backpack right there too. And their drinks. They have some pretty cool drinks too.
Have you ever tried the Asian cheese?
Oh, they got the flaming hot Mountain Dew.
It's like cheese bread, right? Yeah. So good. Yeah.
Whoa, what kind of Fanta is that? Might have to try that Fanta. If we get anything, I'll taste test it. Alright, so I ended up getting this Warhead black cherry soda. I'm gonna see how it tastes. Oh dang, that's pretty good. It's like a little bit of sour and tart. It has a lot of flavor. Tastes just like a Warhead. Very good. Right here is a freeze-dried Jolly Rancher. It's kind of like expanded from the freeze-drying process. I'm gonna try it. Very good. Grape flavor is super good. I'm sure there's all the colors too would taste pretty good too. We also got these extremely sour Pop Rocks, apparently, or extremely loud Pop Rocks. I'm gonna try them. I do like regular Pop Rocks, so if they're extremely loud, then they'll probably be a lot better. Those are, ooh, they're sour too. Dang. You know they're good Pop Rocks when they're still popping in the back of your throat. Those are pretty good. Here we got these Sour Chews, the Crybabies. So let's try it out. I'm gonna try a green one. Oh, those are good. I thought they were gonna be hard. They're soft. These ones aren't that sour, so they're more enjoyable. It's not just a one and done thing. These ones are pretty good. Right here we got a red. Yeah, these are pretty good. Right here we have another Warhead Sour Taffy. This one's like another candy. It's just, I don't, it's, watermelon and apple, sour apple. It's kind of like how an Airhead feels. This is another one that isn't too sour, and it's more enjoyable. But I give this one a 7.5 out of 10. Very good. Another thing we got was this freeze-dried candy. This is a freeze-dried Airhead. This is another good thing. Freeze-dried candies, I feel like you can't really go bad with. They're super good on every candy. So I would definitely suggest going to Pops. It's very good.